Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about me getting these baseboards. I've been putting off cleaning baseboards, y'all, for a while now. And if I don't know if y'all remember when we used to be young, my mom used to make us get up every Saturday, clean baseboards, do all that extracurricular things, and I hated it. But now I totally get why she did it, because it's like when you let your baseboards get dirty, they just become really, really dirty. And really, to be honest with you, what you want to go first and do is go ahead and take a towel, like a dry towel, get all the dust off first. And I don't have that, but I'm just telling you, get all the dust off first. Go in, get all the dust off. A nice dry towel, white, whatever color your baseboard is. And then after that, then you go in and clean it, because you'll be amazed when you wet dirt, how mess, I mean, not dirt, when you wet dust, because that's all it is, dust and dirt. But when you wet dust, it becomes like a dirty, muddy type. So again, do that first. Step one. This is step two. And I'm mixing my own concoctions. You guys, you do what works for you. You know how I am. I always got to have some Dawn Fabuloso because it smells good. Comet, because we grew up on Comet, and baking soda. Okay, and what I also have is a sponge, and you also will need, like I said, some towels. So let me go ahead and get all that. I'm going to get a bucket. I'm going to put just a little bit of each inside this bucket, and then put hot water. I don't eye things. Don't add a whole bunch. And maybe grand total, the water should be this high, and just add your products. Okay, we're gonna get this clean it together. When I say this, clean the walls and everything. First, do a test to make sure your walls is good. Again, we doing baseboards. Make sure everything is good, and then go in and clean. Okay, always do a test. And another thing, you got to have your gloves. You always got to have gloves when you cleaning. And now I'm gonna add hot water to about all gathered about that much. You don't gotta fill this whole bucket up. Right there is good. Okay? Let's add some water and I'll be back. And yeah, if y'all got long locks like me, go ahead and put your hair up in a pony. Because I'm telling you, as soon as you start cleaning, it's going to get right in your way. So go ahead and pull her up, pull her back, and I'm ready. Okay, now add the water. Hot water. It's funny because I wanted to say something real quick, because our electric went out and I didn't even think about this. My husband was telling me I had took a shower like maybe about an hour before it went out. My husband was like, good thing you took a shower before the electric went out. I was like, why is he saying that? What does he mean? I totally forgot, y'all, which I knew it was on full electric. I knew that. But I didn't even think that if the electricity is out, the water won't get hot. Tell me that y'all think. I know that's so crazy. And with me talking about hot water, I just thought about that, because we always forget about the small things. Water, electric, things like that. That's very important. We gotta be thankful for them. Because I kept on going in the house, like every room, and flicking on the light, and I forgot there's no electricity. Let me know, guys, have something crazy like that happen to you when you was like, oh, ain't no electricity, so I can't. So we gotta be thankful for what we have. Just want to tell you that real quick. Okay, let's go ahead and finish. And guys, I like to clean up as I go, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all these products back up in the cabinet. And when I say this mixture smells good, if you want, you can always kind of take your little hand once you put your glove on, stir it off, but it smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. I got this from Amazon. It's called Expanding Sponge. Never used it before, but we'll see how it is. Brand is LPZ. Okay. You see how thin it is and how thick it's going to get probably when the water hit it. How big the sponge got. Hey, Woody. Hey, Woody. And don't use too much Dawn, y'all, because Dawn always make things really, really sudsy. Try not to use too much Dawn. And make sure you're wearing gloves when you're doing this, because you can get stuck with nails or anything. So you'll be amazed y'all how things get so dirty. Okay, guys, I'm going to continue on out. Just want to show you a quick, easy way to do them. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, for more. Okay? Bye, guys. Hopefully that helped you.